Think your leftover fried chicken is still safe after a week? Think again. This mistake could make you seriously sick. Most people believe fried chicken lasts a long time in the fridge, but that's completely wrong. Fried chicken only stays safe for about 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. After that, harmful bacteria can start growing, even if it still looks fine. And here's the scary part. You can't always see or smell those bacteria, so trusting your eyes alone is a big mistake. To keep it safe, you should refrigerate fried chicken within 2 hours of cooking. Leaving it out longer makes it risky to eat. Always store it in an airtight container. This helps slow down bacteria and keeps your chicken fresher. If your chicken smells sour, feels slimy, or looks dull, don't taste it. Just throw it away. When reheating, make sure it's very hot all the way through, at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius, to make it safe again. Want it to last longer? Freeze it. Fried chicken can stay safe for up to 4 months in the freezer. So next time you see leftover fried chicken in your fridge, remember the 3 to 4 day rule, and don't take the risk.